Today's short finds me checking out the Jeep battery. So you remember we changed the starter, then I drove it for a week or two, and then I went to go start it the other day, and the radio is acting funky, and everything comes on fine, but it will not start. It clicks once, and then that's it. So I'm going to take this battery out. It's from 2017. It's 8 years old. It definitely probably needs to be replaced. Unfortunately, it's going to be probably about $300. And of course, I didn't have my socket set, so I found this weird little wrench in my toolbox, and it happens to be the right size to take everything off. So